Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is another stamping design. So this is a spring design today. So I will get straight into it. On my nails is this really pretty matte polish. This is a Essence, and this obviously dries matte, and this is called Right on My Chalkboard. I really like this one, really do. It's really nice. So that is what it looks like. I'm hoping the lighting is a bit better today because I've moved my ring light from there to that side and my other light is there. So I'm just sort of playing around with lighting at the moment, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay. So I'm going to be doing reverse stamping. So I have this Born Pretty stamping plate out, and this is Spring Carden L007. I just think it's really pretty. I really like this plate. So I thought I would use it today, as I don't think I've done a video with it. So I have some polishes out. I have two from Beauty Big Bang, and this is 012 and 010. And I also have this little one from Born Pretty. This is a pale yellow, and this has got to be, I'm not sure which one's the item number. If someone can tell me, I think this is the item number and that's the colour number. I think I'm not entirely sure, but that's what it looks like. Anyway, I don't know if these are still available. I got them, I think it was a set of 6. I just had a look at the rest of them on my wall behind me. So yeah, oh, and I'm also going to be using Born Pretty Black as well. Well, I will stick some music on, do a voiceover when I have to, and then we'll come back at the end as you regretted. Okay, see you on the other side. Bye. Okay, so here I'm just going to start picking up all of the images. So no problems whatsoever with pickup. I've never had any problems, so I will just pick them all up and then show you, and then I will start the reverse stamping. Well, I will leave you now to enjoy, and then I shall come back in a little bit. So yeah, I'm just going to do each colour first. Well, see you soon. Okay, so here I'm going to do like a gradient stamp with this layer image, and then I will outline it in black. So yeah, I will let you watch, and then I shall come back. I will apply foil glue, let it dry, and then apply the stamping images over the top. Okay, I will leave you now and come back at the end. Finished design. What do you guys think? Hopefully you like it. I really like how it came out. I think it looks really nice and springy. I really like this base colour as well. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, what do you guys think? I really like how the reverse stamping came out. It's very nice. I really like that. Well, hopefully you enjoyed my video and you like this design. Let me know down below your thoughts on how this turned out. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, if you think anyone would be interested in watching this design, please share my video. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.